Wait. Now, before I install these braids, I have to pamper my very own hair. So my secret to successful protective styling is ensuring that my hair is well prepared to be tucked away for a few weeks. And I'm about to show you how I do it. So stay tuned. Okay, tell me you don't get joy vibes off of Friday from this little hair flip.
Boom! What Greg at?
Clearly, I'm feeling myself. Get it, girl. The first step I'm taking is preparing this green tea rinse. This tea is decaffeinated, and I'm gonna be adding my little tea bag. Make sure the paper is outside of the cup. I'm adding about 8 ounces of steaming hot water, and I'm gonna let it sit in this cup for about 15 minutes. Now, when that 15 minutes is up, I'm squeezing out the rest of the water that I have in the bag, and then I'm gonna be transferring my tea from this cup into this little bottle that allows me to use this nozzle and focus on a specific area. So screw the cap back on. Then I'm showing you what it looks like. Yes, it should look this dark or even darker depending on how long you let it sit. Now my hair is already shampooed, so what I'm doing is squeezing the green tea onto my scalp and making sure that my scalp is well saturated. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because, one, I've never done this before, so I have no clue if this actually works, but I've seen and heard a lot of women talk about this green tea rinse and how it helped them shed less hair and how it promotes hair growth. So I'm giving it a shot. First, I started off focusing on my scalp, and then I focused on my strands. Now I'm taking my homemade DIY deep conditioner and applying it onto my strands. Now I'll go ahead and put a card up here to show you exactly how I did this DIY deep conditioner, but in the video that I'm linking, I use bananas. In this video, I'm using avocado. Both are great for the hair. They have amazing benefits. In this one, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you that I used avocado, honey, coconut milk, olive oil, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I can't remember what else, but like I said, I'll link it in this video and then down below as well. And I let it sit in my hair for about 45 minutes. Now this is me rinsing it out after that time is up, and I'm scratching my scalp to make sure that there is no residue left on my scalp, since like I said, my hair is already clean, so I want to make sure that I'm not leaving anything behind to cause my hair to be any more dirty, especially because I'm not going to be washing my hair for a few weeks after I braid it up. Note that I did not rinse my hair. I left all of the green tea in there while I deep conditioned, and then when I rinsed the conditioner out, that's when I rinsed the green tea out. Now, I'm gonna show you how much hair I've been losing, which is the reason why I've decided to try this green tea rinse. I've lost so much hair. I have no idea why, but it's just so much hair. It's ridiculous. So hopefully the next time, the more I use this green tea rinse, the less hair I will lose, hopefully. So what I'm doing now is I've already applied my heat protectant off of camera throughout my whole entire hair. So now I'm blow drying my hair, each section one by one, so that my hair is easier to braid, easier to manage when I go and install my braids. I also wanted to do this so that I can cut my hair, and you'll see that in a video to come. It's actually gonna be the next video, I believe. You'll see how I cut my hair, how much hair I cut, etc. But I just cut my hair because I didn't want my protective styling to be in vain. So what I mean is basically I cut my hair so that it can be healthy, and every inch that I gain while protective styling will remain, if that makes any sense. The next clip right here, my hair is about 14 inches all over. I'm sure whatever I'm saying is irrelevant, but yeah, I was just showing you how long my hair is. There is a piece that's not blown out, but we'll talk about that in a video to come. But yeah, you can see that my ends are trash and they need to be cut. And so that is the end of the video. That's basically all I did. In the next video, you'll see how I cut my hair, how much I cut off. Look at this scene right here. That is a lot of hair. Bye, y'all. That's a lot of hair. Wow. I just thought to let you know.